Good morning, everyone. In today's physics class, we will derive equations of motion. There are three equations of motion. First, v minus u is equal to at. Second, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Third, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. What all these letters represents? U is initial velocity, V is final velocity, S is the distance covered, A is the acceleration and T is the time. So we will derive these three equations one by one. Derive means origin. ये equations जो हैं, ये formulae जो हैं, कैसे आए? We will derive, okay? So let us take first equation v minus u is equal to at. To derive this, we will draw a graph, velocity time graph. This is the velocity time graph. Velocity is on y-axis, time is on x-axis. Okay? And this is the point O. Suppose a body or any object is at point A. इस point A पे है. Okay? तो इसकी initial velocity we can read from here. This is a velocity time, velocity axis. So we can read velocity of object when it is at point A. Suppose it is u. So u is the initial velocity. So here OA represents initial velocity, that is u. Now after time t, कुछ time t के बाद क्या हुआ? ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो पॉइंट B पे पहुंच गया. ठीक है, इसकी अब फाइनल वेलोसिटी हो गई v. तो यू कैन सी ऑन वेलोसिटी एक्सिस, इसके कॉरेस्पॉन्ड जो है आप देखो तो यहाँ तक जो है वेलोसिटी आपका v रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. ओके, सो फाइनल वेलोसिटी बिकम्स v नाउ. ठीक है, आफ्टर व्हेन इट रीचेस टू पॉइंट B. नाउ यू विल जॉइन दिस लाइन B to time axis, okay, and mark this point as C. So BC is the line. Okay, now this distance OC, this is OC, it is the time axis. So OC is time, means time t में object जो है वो point A से point B पे पहुंचा है. So this is the time. In time t, OC, object reaches from point A to point B. Okay, now you will draw a perpendicular AD to BC. अब आपने ये perpendicular draw करा AD. Okay, now you see OA DC. It is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. So opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So if OA is u, तो CD will also be equal to u. So you will write u here. If OC is T, AD is also T, because opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So it is also T. So this graph you will draw when you will derive the three equations of motion. Now to derive the first equation of motion, your first step is, you know that BC can be written as BD plus DC. BC को जो है हम BD plus DC लिख सकते हैं. तो we write BC is equal to BD plus DC. Now in the next step we will substitute the values. BC की वैल्यू क्या है? V. How it comes to V? क्योंकि ये जो है इसका फाइनल वेलोसिटी, इसका इतना जो पोर्शन है, दिस इज v. तो ये भी v हो जाएगा आपका. ओके, तो BC इज v हियर. तो BC इज v. BD it is not known to you, so you will write BD as such, it is unknown to you, plus DC. DC is u. Okay, so you will write u here. Now from here you will calculate the value of BD. When u goes to the other side, BD की वैल्यू निकालनी है, बाकी सबको आप उधर ले जाओ. तो when u गोज टू अदर साइड, u के साथ अभी यहाँ प्लस है, तो उधर जाके कौन सा साइन हो जाएगा? व्हेन इट चेंज इट साइड्स, माइनस. सो योर बी डी बिकम्स v माइनस u. गिव दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 1, or you can name any with any letter. Okay, now you know acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. Now you see from the graph कि आपका इनिशियली वेलोसिटी इतनी थी, सी डी थी, अब हो गई सी बी. तो कितना चेंज आया? दिस मच इज द चेंज. पहले इतना था, अब वेलोसिटी आपकी यहाँ तक हो गई, तो दिस इज द चेंज ओनली. ओके, तो बी डी इज द चेंज. तो एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, दैट इज बी डी. इतना चेंज आया अपॉन टाइम. सो फ्रॉम हेयर you can calculate the value of BD. T इधर डिवाइड में है, when it goes to the other side it will get multiplied by A. तो you get BD is equal to 80. Okay, give it number 2. Now you see equation 1 and 2. Their left hand sides are equal. BD है, ये भी BD है. BD यहाँ V minus U के इक्वल है, और यहाँ BD जो है आपका 80 के इक्वल है. So from 1 and 2 अगर इनकी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो है वो इक्वल है, तो राइट हैंड साइड must be equal. So from 1 and 2 you can write v minus u is equal to 80. So this is how you will derive first equation of motion. To derive the equations of motion, first step should be learned by you कि first step हमने कहाँ से start करना है. Okay, so to derive the first equation of motion, we are taking this line and we are writing this line as a sum of BD plus DC. We are substituting the values. Then we are applying the formula for the acceleration. From here we have calculated BD. From here we have calculated. So their left hand sides are equal. So right must be equal, and we get the first equation of motion. Now let us derive now second equation of motion. To derive the second equation of motion, we are drawing the same graph. Okay. So second equation of motion is S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. What is S here? Distance. Okay. Now this is velocity time graph. This is the graph. Velocity time का ये graph है आपका. The area under this graph, velocity time graph, this represents your distance. तो अगर आप एरिया निकालेंगे, ये एरिया अगर आप कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं, तो यू विल गेट द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड. सो विच शेप इज दिस? ओ ए बी सी. ये क्या है बन रहा? कौन सी शेप है ये? ट्रेपीजियम की. यस. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपीजियम ओ ए बी सी यू विल कैलकुलेट. ओके, सो एस इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपीजियम ओ ए बी सी. एस इज द एरिया अंडर द ग्राफ. डिस्टेंस जो है वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? एरिया अंडर द ग्राफ. एरिया अंडर द ग्राफ किसका एरिया वो बन रहा है? ट्रेपीजियम का बन रहा है. नाउ यू विल स्प्लिट दिस ट्रेपीजियम इनटू टू फिगर्स. यू सी फ्रॉम हियर, सी फ्रॉम द ग्राफ, this trapezium can be divided into, can be split into two figures. One is rectangle and the other one is triangle. So area of rectangle AOCD, area of rectangle AOCD plus area of triangle ADB. Okay, now area of rectangle, you know the formula, length into breadth, and area of triangle is half into base into height. Now you are applying the formula and see the length here OA. So length is AO or OA and breadth is OC. Okay, then plus half, base is AD. Sorry, base is AD is a perpendicular. तो base क्या होगा आपका? BD होगा. तो base is BD and height is your perpendicular, that is AD. AD is the height. Okay, now you will substitute the values. AO कितना है? From the graph you can see AO is U, OC is T. AO into OC, U into T, that is UT, plus half BD. BD को we are writing 80. Why? Because when we derived first equation of motion, we came to know कि BD जो है वो आपका 80 के इक्वल आता है. In equation number 1 we have seen this. So BD को we can write 80 and AD is T here. So T here. Okay. Now S is equal to UT plus half AT into T is AT square. तो AT square. So S is equal to ut plus half at square. So this is a second equation of motion.